Hello, so today I'm going to teach you how to fix product activation on Word. So this is how you simply fix product activation on Word. You are going to go to your file manager, then you need to press on this PC, then local disk C, then you need to go to program files, then you go to Microsoft Office, then you go to Office 16. Now this is where it's a bit challenging, but it's simple to do to work out. So you need to right click and run as administrator for 3 times. So go to count with you. 1, okay, right click again, 2, right click again, yes, 3. And now for the final step is you need to right click and refresh. Okay, and now for the final step, you just need to test whether your word is functioning right now. As you can see, it is already fixed. So all I can say is